Okay, you guys, so we got a package. This is all of the, well, not Christmas, this is the winter release, and there's like all the goodies in here. So I just got this while I was at my friend's wedding, so I'm gonna go ahead and record it now while Matthew's over there falling asleep. But I figured it would be fun for Vlogmas Day 4 to just start this now. Yeah, I thought it would be fun to record this now and just upload it for tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. And maybe we can do a little bit of something tomorrow. Oh, I needed to make the hot chocolate bomb, so that would be fun to do tomorrow. But anyways, let me go ahead and show y'all what I got, and then I will record flip-throughs tomorrow and upload those as well. So the first thing here is the Align mini sticker book. So cute. So this has like a lot of the black and white stickers, just very neutrals, and boxes, bullet points, letters, all that good stuff. So that's pretty cool. I also got, I didn't even know about this. This is the Disney sticker book. There's like very neutral tones in here. Really cool. Love it. Okay, and then here is another one. This is the Let's Stay Home sticker book. They had one last year when everything happened with COVID, but this looks like a mixture of homebody. There was supposed to be a homebody. It makes me wonder if this is it and they just called it Let's Stay Home, or if there's going to be a different version of it. Cool. Okay, and then the next thing we have here is, these are snap-in folders, and these are Disney. So there is, what does it say? Great day. It's a great day for a great day. Always be kind, and then Mickey and Minnie. I already have this. No, this is different. Oh wow, this is completely different. So this is a dashboard layout, 12-month planner, undated, and this is Maleficent. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not very good with the with the villains. Sorry guys, I have like a little bit of congestion. We were out in the country for my friend's wedding, so I'm like super congested. This is a vertical layout, undated planner. All of the winter release planners are undated, so I should probably say that so I don't have to repeat myself. But it says best day ever. It is vertical. It's a mini. I love this cover. I love how minimal but still has like cute colors in it. So that is really cool. And then we have, this says progress, not perfection. It's a guided journal, 80 sheets, recovery, and it has silver glitter discs. I don't know if it'll focus, but yeah, it has like silver glitter discs. I can show, I'm gonna do flip throughs of everything, so not to worry. The next thing I have here is, this is a wellness companion pack, and it has like a little pouch. And it comes with all of these things: a dry erase board, vision board, a pocket folder, plastic envelope, 2 plastic envelopes, so like a long one and then shorter ones, 20 note sheets, a storage folder, and stickers, and the pouch. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys, like my throat. And then I got the wellness paper. So cool. So it has like all these prompts. Oh, sweet. Yay, I'm excited. This is like super minimal paper. It has like just polka dots, line paper. It comes with, I'm assuming it comes with like 40 sheets. So it's lined, and then the back is grid. The next thing I have here is the Villains Happy Planner. This is undated, and it is different than the other one. I'm totally going to gift this to my friend. She would love this. And she just started a podcast. It's called That Was Two. It's a wrestling podcast, and she definitely needs a planner. She told me the other day, and I was like, oh, I got you, girl. This is a wellness planner, undated. How cute. I love this cover. So it is wellness. It's a wellness layout. Cool. And then, okay, let me grab, okay, maybe I'll do that one last because that's big. Let me take this out, and then I will continue recording. Okay, so I got a mini color block layout, and this is the Mickey collection. It does say the world needs your special kind of magic. Sorry, I can't read apparently. And that's really cute. And then I got a classic size dashboard layout. I love this cover. It's so pretty with black discs. It does have a grayed out, like a grayed box that we always complain about. But that is really cute. And then the last thing I got is the accessory and pen storage pack, and this is the Mickey Mouse collection. So it just has, it's white and it has the Mickeys on it. So cute. I love how like simple and minimal it is. I will definitely probably be ordering the things that I really did want that I didn't get. So I'm excited for the release. I believe it's Monday. Don't quote me on that because I am not exactly sure. I'll have to look it up. But yay, I'm excited. But anyways, I am going to go ahead and put all these things away because there's a lot of them, and I'm going to do like more detailed flip throughs of everything. And we just got back from the wedding, so I am exhausted. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later, or tomorrow actually. Hey guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and close this off here. Today is Saturday, right? Today's Saturday, Matthew? Yeah, he gave me the okay. But today is Saturday. We didn't do much today. The only other thing that we did was go to Starbucks, returned Matthew's suit because we needed to return that today since it was a rental. And then we went to Matthew's grandma's birthday dinner. So that is pretty much all we did. I didn't record a whole ton today, and I didn't do much else because I started feeling sick. I got really bad allergies and have like a cough and congestion. We were out in the country for yesterday's wedding, and there's a lot of trees out there, and I believe in like the northern, since it was a little bit north from San Antonio, there's always like cedar trees, and that always gets me. So as soon as like we were there, I just kind of felt it, and then this morning when I woke up, I was dying. I was trying to record flip throughs of the winter release items, and I couldn't hold it up. It was too difficult. I was able to record something, but I think I'm gonna have to redo it because I kept having to pause to cough. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I did show you all the unboxing, so I think that'll be fun to watch, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we can do some fun things together, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.